everyone, I'm Susmita Dey. I'm back after so many days. Sorry for the delay. Actually, I was busy with my college. As you all know that offline college have started. So I'm busy with my college and syllabus and other things. Anyways, let's get started. Today we will discuss about GSoC, Google Summer of Code. Okay. As you all know that registering for the organizations for the GSoC has been closed, and those timeline have also been announced a few months back, and now it's time for us, that is contributors, to register for it and participate in it. Okay, let's move on to the website of GSoC. So let's go to Chrome and type summerofcode.withgoogle.com. okay, and then as you can see, this comes up. See, 2022 program announced. If you click on this, it will take you to the program page. But before moving on, let's see what is Google Summer of Code. You must know what is Google Summer of Code. Google Summer of Code is a global online program focused on bringing new contributors into open source software development. GSoC contributors work with an open source organization on a 12-week programming project under the guidance of mentors. Okay, 18k plus students, 112 countries. See, so many, these huge numbers. This is huge. The next section is become a GSoC contributor. This is the role we are gonna play. We will participate in GSoC by filling the form, and as you can see, applications for GSoC contributions open April 4 to 19. Let me zoom. So today is 2nd of April, as I am recording this video, and the applications will be open on 4th April. Okay, so from 4th April to 19th April the applications will be open, and you have to register within the time limit and participate in GSoC. Now let's say your application gets accepted. What will happen? Nothing will happen. It will be a great chance for you to get involved more into open source. If you are new to open source, then you will get involved into open source, or if you are a pro or have some experience with open source programs like Girl Script Summer of Code, as I'm currently a participant of a Girl Script Summer of Code 2022. Okay, so you can call me a pro, and if you got selected in GSoC, then this will be an amazing opportunity for you. There are many perks for it, and before getting into the perks, let's see. Learn why you should apply to be a GSoC contributor. You must know why you want to be a GSoC contributor or why you want to apply. So you can click on this link, watch video. This will open to YouTube or YouTube video, as you can see. Okay, let's mute it. You can watch it. I will give this link in this description. Go and head over to the website, and then you can see this is, if you click here, home, about, how it works, get started, organization, registration, past programs, etc. you can see. So let's head over to the past programs. Okay, these are the past programs, and I'm going to 2021 program, and you can see web. If you are expert at web or learning web development, then you can click on web here, and this opens up. You can see Chromium, Django, Hydra ecosystem, Internet Archive, JBoss community. There are so many communities here. And see, you can have items swap page. You can, if you click 100, then it will show 100. Okay, and if you search, and this is also there, if you search for Python, and see, Django comes up. There is a community of Python, and Django is a web framework related to Python, and you can contribute in Django. What to contribute? You will contribute on GitHub. Now, what is GitHub? GitHub is a website, and in order to know GitHub, you must know Git. Git is a version control system. Okay, let me show you a glimpse of GitHub.com. I'm logged in, but you have to create an account if you don't have. So this is GitHub, and there will be some repositories here. Okay, head over, search on YouTube and search on Google if you don't know anything about Git and GitHub. Okay, I recommend, if you want to learn about Git and GitHub, I would recommend you to watch a video of Kunal Kushwaha. I will link it in the description. And okay, if I go to YouTube and Kunal Kushwaha's channel, go to this channel and search here Git. You can see complete Git and GitHub tutorial. Okay, watch this video, is not too long, something like 1 hour 12 minutes, or if you are not comfortable with it, you can also watch Code with Harry Git and learn. You can also learn Git and GitHub from Code with Harry's channel. Okay, there is a single video like that. You will find many other videos for Git and GitHub on YouTube. There are many of them. So let's come back here. I go to About section. You can see, since 2005, the Google Summer of Code program has connected 18,000 plus new open source contributions from 112 countries. With 17,000 plus mentors from 118 countries, Google Summer of Code has produced over 40 million lines of code for 746 open source organizations. Okay, so this is huge, and there are many perks for it. How it works: see, apply, code, share. Okay, simple steps. Interested contributors propose a project on it. Listen, a simple tip for all of you: if you, let's say your application gets selected, and then there will be some Discord or Slack channel for you, and after the applications are closed, a few days later you will see the projects. You will see the projects in this website, what projects are involved. As I've shown you, there are so many communities involved. Okay, it was on the past program, so let's see for the current programs. And I'm heading over to this home and then view program page. You can see participating organization, 202 open source organization will be mentoring GSoC contributors for GSoC 2022. Okay, so there are 202 open source contributions till now, and contributors spend your summer writing code for an open source software project. Okay, applications written same here. There are applications for GSoC contributors open April 4 to 19. Okay, and there is the 2022 program timeline. As you can see, they have given us the timeline. This was the program announced date, and then organization application start, organization application deadline, and then April 4 contributor proposals open, and then proposal deadline April 19. May 12 proposal ranking deadline, May 19 slot allocation deadline. You don't have to note that, everything is on this website. You just head over to it and see what is being there. Okay, then proposal ranking deadline, and then slot allocation, projects, and then projects announced, project work period start, program intent. Okay, you can see, so long. On December 2, 2022, the program will end. And by this period, the most important thing is that by this period you will get to learn a lot. And the standard timeline accounts for 12-week coding projects, and mentors and GSoC contributors can agree to extend the coding period up to 22 weeks. Okay, the most important thing is learning. While you are contributing, you will learn a lot. Like I'm currently a part of a GirlScript Summer of Code, and the leaderboard has been recently launched, and I've been in the 38th position. Let me show you. GSoC GirlScript. And one interesting thing is that I'm also gonna participate with you all in Google Summer of Code. Okay, so we are participating together. So cheers for all of us, and I hope that our application must be accepted. We all get the chance to be a participant, to be the contributor of a Google Summer of Code. And you can see I am currently a participant of this Girl Script Summer of Code. And in the leaderboard, if I go over here, it's loading, taking a little time. Okay, 2 3 38, yes, see, 38 Susmita Day, and I am in the 38th position of the leaderboard. I click here, you can see this is the list of PRs they're giving, and this is my score, current score. Heading over to contribute more so that I can come in the top 10. Anyways, let's leave and go back to this website. So so this was all, and you can see how to get started. Then organization eligibility, since we will be participating as a GSoC contributor and not as an organization or a mentor, and applications for organizations have already been stopped as the deadline has been passed. So as a GSoC contributor, this eligibility criteria must be followed. That is, number 1, must be at least 18 years old at the time of registration, must be an open source beginner, must be eligible to work in their country of residence during duration of the program, must be a resident of a country not currently embargoed by the United States. Okay, if you want, you can review this contributor terms. Is the contributor agreement 2022. Okay, go and read this out if you want. There's a detailed thing written here. Okay, Google Summer of Code 2022 contributor agreement. Okay, so no going here and there, just go to your calendar and save the date, 4th March. Okay, 4th March to 19th March, you all have to participate here and contribute together and learn. The more you contribute, the more we will gain experience, and the more you will learn. And the perks of this are many, like as I have seen in this video in the home section. Yeah, learn why this YouTube video, as I have seen here, they have told that there are many perks of participating, and they will give some goodies if we win, some goodies and some gifts if we win in this program. That is, if we came first in this program, then we will get some goodies and many more things. Okay, so let's see together, let's participate together and enjoy the program while participating. Learn together, and most important thing is learn in public. Okay, the more you learn in public, the more you get experience. So that's all for today. I hope you liked it.